Have you ever considered the power of planking for just 1 minute a day? This simple yet effective exercise can transform your core strength and overall fitness. Planking engages multiple muscle groups, helping to improve your posture, balance, and stability. Plus, it's a fantastic way to boost your metabolism and burn calories, all while requiring minimal time and space. Imagine dedicating just 60 seconds of your day to a workout that can yield such impressive results. But here's the catch. Consistency is key. Just like any fitness routine, the benefits of planking multiply when you make it a daily habit. By committing to this 1-minute challenge, you're not only building physical strength, but also cultivating discipline and resilience. So, are you ready to take on the challenge and discover the incredible benefits of daily planking? Let's dive in. Understanding planking. Planking is a core strengthening exercise that involves maintaining a position similar to a push-up, with your body in a straight line from head to heels. This simple yet powerful move primarily targets your abdominal muscles, but it also engages your back, shoulders, and glutes, making it a comprehensive workout for your core. There are numerous variations of the plank to suit all fitness levels. Beginners can start with the forearm plank, while more advanced practitioners might try side planks or plank jacks to increase intensity. Each variation offers unique benefits and challenges, allowing you to tailor your workout to your abilities. However, proper form is crucial to avoid injury and maximize effectiveness. Ensure your body is aligned, with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your hips neither sagging nor raised too high. By mastering the plank and its variations, you can build a strong foundation for your fitness journey. Physical benefits. Daily planking offers a multitude of physical benefits that can significantly enhance your fitness journey. One of the most notable improvements is in core strength and stability. By engaging your abdominal muscles, lower back, and even your glutes, planking helps create a solid foundation for all your movements, making everyday activities easier and safer. Additionally, planking plays a crucial role in enhancing overall body posture. A strong core supports your spine, reducing the risk of slouching and promoting a more upright stance. This can lead to less strain on your back and neck, contributing to better overall health. Moreover, incorporating planks into your routine can aid in weight loss and muscle toning. As a compound exercise, planking burns calories while simultaneously building lean muscle mass. This combination not only helps you shed unwanted pounds but also sculpts and tones your body, making it a fantastic addition to any fitness regimen. Mental benefits. Incorporating planks into your daily routine offers not just physical advantages, but also significant mental benefits. One of the key advantages is the boost in mental resilience. Holding a plank requires focus and determination, pushing you to overcome discomfort and fatigue. This practice can translate into greater mental strength in other areas of your life, helping you tackle challenges with confidence. Additionally, engaging in physical activity like planking is a proven stress reliever. Exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, which can help alleviate anxiety and improve your overall sense of well-being. Moreover, completing a daily plank challenge provides a profound sense of accomplishment. Each time you successfully hold your position, you reinforce your commitment to your fitness goals, fostering a positive mindset. This daily achievement can motivate you to set and conquer new challenges, enhancing your mental fortitude and overall happiness. Time commitment. One of the most appealing aspects of planking is the minimal time investment required to see results. Just dedicating 1 minute each day can significantly enhance your core strength and overall fitness. This short commitment makes it easy to fit into even the busiest schedules, proving that you don't need hours at the gym to achieve your goals. To make planking a regular part of your daily routine, consider setting a specific time each day, whether it's in the morning, during a lunch break, or before bed. Consistency is key, and integrating this simple exercise into your day can lead to lasting benefits. To stay motivated with short workouts, try tracking your progress or setting small challenges for yourself, like increasing your plank duration each week. You can also involve friends or family for a fun, competitive twist. Remember, every second counts, and your 1 minute commitment can lead to remarkable changes. Common mistakes. When it comes to planking, maintaining proper alignment is crucial for maximizing benefits and minimizing injury risk. A common mistake is allowing the hips to sag or rise too high, which can strain your lower back and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Keeping your body in a straight line from head to heels is essential for proper form. Another mistake is holding the plank for too long without building up to it. While it's great to challenge yourself, overextending your time can lead to fatigue and poor form, increasing the risk of injury. It's better to start with shorter holds and gradually increase your duration as your strength improves. Lastly, always listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, it's important to adjust your position or take a break. Planking should feel challenging yet manageable, so prioritize your safety and comfort as you progress in your routine. Tracking progress. Effectively tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated and recognizing your achievements in planking. One great way to do this is by keeping a fitness journal. In your journal, note your daily plank duration, any variations you try, and how you feel after each session. This record will help you see improvements over time and keep you accountable. Additionally, consider taking weekly photos to visually document your progress. These images can serve as powerful reminders of how far you've come, even when the changes may feel subtle day to day. Setting realistic goals is also crucial in your journey. Instead of aiming for an unrealistic duration right away, focus on incremental improvements, such as adding a few seconds each week. This approach not only makes your goals more achievable, but also boosts your confidence as you reach each milestone. Remember, progress is a journey, and celebrating small victories is key to long-term success. In summary, daily planking offers a wealth of physical and mental benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. From improved core strength and better posture to increased mental resilience and stress relief, incorporating just 1 minute of planking into your routine can lead to remarkable changes. Now is the perfect time to start your planking journey. Remember, consistency is key, and even small daily efforts can yield significant results over time. So why wait? Begin today and experience the transformative power of this simple exercise. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more fitness content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from incorporating planking into their routines. Together, we can inspire each other to achieve our fitness goals and lead healthier lives.